Welcome to the EPICUR Center for International Teaching and Learning's area. Let's explore. You have come to the right place to learn more about teaching and learning in the EPICUR Alliance. You are wondering whether EPICUR is useful to your teaching or how you may contribute to the Alliance-wide learning offer. Under Discover Epicurean Teaching and Learning, you will find information and examples on how you can get involved with teaching in EPICUR. For instance, our Good Practice Guide showcases examples on how to internationalize your teaching offer. You are inspired but worried about getting compensated for your EPICUR teaching? Check out the funding tips for opportunities. In the EPIC TLC's repository of didactic and pedagogic resources, educators and educational developers can find and share resources. Simply search the repository and use the filter function to find information and inspiration concerning teaching and learning practices in higher education. You are invited to contribute to our curated collection of methods, projects and papers. Let's share information and inspiration on international, intercultural, interdisciplinary, innovative, inclusive and/or interactive higher education. If you are looking to share or find educational materials to use in your teaching, our OER section is right for you. Open educational resources are a great way to share good practices and attribute credit to our efforts in teaching and learning. Use the EPICUR Center for International Teaching and Learning to find resources and inspiration in our border-crossing community of practice in teaching and learning. Let's explore!